This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute professional financial or investment advice. Please consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Are you ready to start investing but feel overwhelmed by where to begin? One of the most important steps in your journey is setting clear, realistic investment goals. In this video, we'll break down how to define your goals, align them with your financial future, and take control of your investing journey. Welcome to Clear Investing Guide, where we simplify investing, one step at a time. Imagine taking a road trip without knowing your destination. Investing without goals is just like that, wandering without a clear direction. Goals act as your roadmap, helping you stay focused and measure your progress. They also keep your emotions in check when markets get unpredictable. Whether you're saving for retirement, a dream home, or a big purchase, clear goals keep you on track. Let's talk about two main types of investment goals: short-term and long-term. Short-term goals are for things like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation, usually within 1 to 3 years. Long-term goals, on the other hand, are for milestones like retirement, buying a home, or creating generational wealth. These typically span over 5, 10, or even 30 years. The SMART framework is a great tool for setting goals. It stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to make money," you could say, "I want to save $20,000 for a house down payment within the next 5 years." This goal is specific, measurable, and tied to a clear timeline. Once you've set your goals, it's important to match them with your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with high-risk investments that might grow faster but could lose value in the short term? Or do you prefer stable, low-risk options? For example, if your goal is short-term, you might stick to safer investments like bonds or high-yield savings accounts. Long-term goals, however, can accommodate riskier assets like stocks or ETFs. Here's your action plan. First, write down your short-term and long-term goals. Second, apply the SMART framework to make them clear and achievable. Third, evaluate your risk tolerance and choose the right investment types to match each goal. Remember, investing isn't a one-size-fits-all approach, it's about what works for you. Now that you know how to set realistic investment goals, it's time to take action. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your financial future take shape. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new tip from Clear Investing Guide. And remember, we're simplifying investing one step at a time. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute professional financial or investment advice. Please consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.